In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11. App can't run on your PC. If you've tried to open a program and seen that message, don't worry. It often appears when an older app or installer isn't fully tailored for Windows 11. The quickest, most reliable way to address this is to run the program in compatibility mode, which tells Windows to treat it as if it were running on an earlier version. I'll walk you through it clearly, and you can follow along at your own pace. First, locate the app's installer file or its shortcut. This might be on your desktop, in your Downloads folder, or wherever you save the installer. If you're looking at a shortcut, that's fine too. Compatibility settings on a shortcut can point to the original program. Now, right-click the installer or the shortcut. On Windows 11, you might see a streamlined menu. If you don't see what you need immediately, click Show More Options to reveal the classic context menu. From there, click Properties. This opens a window with several tabs across the top that control how Windows handles this app. Next, click the Compatibility tab. This is where Windows stores special settings for running older software. If you're working with a traditional desktop app or an installer file like .exe or .msi, you should see this tab. It's designed specifically to help when programs aren't launching or are showing errors like the one you saw. Now, enable compatibility mode. Check the box that says, Run this program in compatibility mode 4. Once you check it, a drop-down becomes active. Choose an older version of Windows that the program is likely to support. Windows 8 or Windows 7 are common choices for legacy apps. Think about when the app originally worked best and pick the closest match. After selecting the version, click Apply to save your choice, and then click OK to close the window. From now on, whenever this program opens through that installer or shortcut, Windows will use the compatibility mode you selected. If the error persists, return to the same compatibility tab and try a different Windows version from the list. Sometimes it takes a quick bit of trial and error to find the sweet spot. And if you ever want to undo the change, simply go back, uncheck Run this program in compatibility mode 4, click Apply, and you're back to default behavior. That's it. By adjusting one setting, you've told Windows to meet the app where it works best, which often resolves the app can't run on your PC message quickly and safely. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your program up and running.